what's wrong with me. I keep on going on, I keep on chasing things, type of things no good for me. They all tell me good for me. I try to not talk on this, all that they talk about. You know what's wrong with me. I blame that on word of mouth. Yeah. I'm hungry, I'm bleeding, take from me.